Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty and I love affordable stuff. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe for more drugstore recommendation and anything related to beauty like makeup tutorials, hauls, and recently I have ranked all of my favorite makeup products. Just now I ranked my liners. So if you want to if you like watching such videos, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So let's get back to the point, which is today I am going to do like September 2021 makeup inventory. I'm thinking of filming this in 6 months or maybe like quarterly, and this is just to so these are my makeup inventories. So this is just a way to kind of warn myself that some categories I have a lot and some so we need to manage these. So I do project pan also, so if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe. Now the main topic of this video is my makeup inventory. So if you want to know the nitty-gritty, the numbers, let's get started. So for my primers, I have two primers, which is good. Previously three. I have a Good Vibe Rose Hip Oil, but I don't know how much long you can use a serum, and I don't want to break out, and so I'm not using it. I'm not counting it in my primers anymore. So I have my Blue Heaven primer and the Mask Take a Glow primer, and that's it. I have a pore filling primer and a dewy primer. I'm really happy with this category as of now. Okay, so concealer, I had recently purchased a bunch and use up a one. So this category is fluctuating, and I think this will always fluctuate because concealer is such a staple. So as of now I have bring 9 concealer, but so as of now I have 9 concealers, but I have recently used up a one, so now we are down to 8, which is not that high but not that low. Maybe 6 will be a good number, we'll see that. But I tend to use concealer fast, so this is not a problematic category. Okay, speaking about problems, we have a big problem here. So speaking about problems, we have 12 foundation, and I consider my BB creams and foundation in one category because I normally tend to apply really sheer coverage. As you can see, I apply a less coverage foundations anyway, so I consider them as foundations. They are sheer coverage foundation anyway. So we have 12. I want to count how many of them are BB cream, but I forgot to count. So yep. So I would like to be under 8. Let's just see we can achieve that or not. I am working on my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I would like to use up, and it is a mini, so it is not full size, so I am hoping that I can use this up in this project pan. So we'll see that. So for powders, I have 8, which is why I have 8 powders. Why? I have dry skin and it's very disappointing. 4 or 5 maybe will be okay. 8 powders for someone who have dry skin is a lot. So I am currently working on my Lakme powder, but the thing is, it is completely a brand new. I was not using it because it has a pretty packaging and the formula is very good. That is not any excuse to not use something, but let's just see, before 2021 at least we can use up that one. We'll see that. I really hope so. Okay, now again a very problematic, in this video my face will be like so again a very problematic category is blush. I have a blush problem and I have acquired 14 blushes. which is like bonkers. Like I cannot use up that much blush. I like to apply a lot. I like to apply cream and powder, but still we have a lot to go through. And I have a blush palette which is really pigmented in my project pan. And speaking of project pan, I have not used it once. I just use whatever I like, and this way I will never be able to use up any of my blushes, which is really bad. Okay, so ideally I would not like to have more than 10, but I don't think so it is practically possible with someone like me. I want to just purchase a lot of blushes. That's a problem. So yeah. Okay, so now we are having some decently sized makeup category. So we have bronzer. I have 3 bronzers, in which one is a contour. So yeah, at least in some category I am doing good. The primer was good, and now the bronzer is good. I'm happy that I have 3. Maybe 1 or 2 I want to try more, but not more than 1 or 2. At least some category should have 2-3 products, right? I would be very happy. Okay, so next are highlighters. This is also a good category. So I have 3 highlighters, and they are very different. So one is a cream, like today I will use it, and it is a very subtle highlighter. Then one is the Wet n Wild Precious Petal. I would consider it medium to blinding. And we have Swiss Video one that is blinding. So we have a good range of highlighter, and I am really happy with my highlighter collection. Maybe again, like bronzer, I would like to use up 1 or 2, but not more than 1 or 2. I would like my bronzer and highlighter category to be like 5. Ideal number would be 5. Okay, so we have another problematic category. I would consider this problematic. So we have 7 eyebrow products. So I have 2 eyebrow palettes. If you follow any project planner, you would know that to use up an eyebrow palette, maybe you need 2-3 years. Why I have so much? I don't know. And eyebrows, I don't want to buy a eyebrow product. I am so happy with my project pan one. Then why I did purchase 2 eyebrow palette, and I purchased them together, like at a one go, I would say. And I'm slightly disappointed. Ideally I would want it to be at 3. More than 3 is like a lot. I would like to have eyebrow mascara, eyebrow palette, and an eyebrow pencil. That would be my ideal category, and I think we need to use up some. Okay, so the very, very, very problematic makeup category I would consider this is eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadows, and as you can see, we have a colorful purple, subtle purple kind of moment. And whenever I see a mauve and a purple in a palette, I'm like, I have to buy it. Why I do like this? So we have 17 eyeshadow palettes. $17 is a lot. I cannot use up a eyeshadow palette anyways. Even if I will try my hardest, I will not be able to use up any of them. And ideally I would like to own just 10, but I don't know, maybe I should declutter, but to whom I will give them, I don't know. Okay, so I have 4 single shadows, like in their simple in their own packaging. So I have kept them in separate category. They are not palette, they are single. So yeah, 4 singles is good. I use them even every now and then I use them. They are beautiful mauves and purples again. For eyeliner I have 11. So which is okay. I have, as you can see, quite a mix of color, like browns and blues, but ideally I would like to own only 5 liners. Anything more than 5 is really unnecessary. For mascara, I have 3, which is good. You should not keep backups of mascaras. In 3 months you should throw them, so you don't need to buy more than 2. You can keep 1 or 2, one in lengthening one volumizing one. But I love my that Blue Heaven mascara so much, and I think I am doing great in this category. Okay, so maybe the worst category ever in my collection is my lipstick category. I have 41 lipstick, which I think is a lot, and I have decluttered so much in the past, and this is left after declutter. These are all the shades which I like. Even if I will use a new shade every day, I will not be able to use up every lipstick like even once in a month, which is bonkers. I'm like, why? And this is the first lipstick, and as you can see, barely anything is left. This is the first lipstick that I'm going to use up, and I was using it regularly. This is the shade I'm wearing. This is blush nude. This is the first lipstick which is I'm able to finish because of Project Pan. So we will down to 40 in this year, sure. This is just barely left anything, and the way I was able to use this up was like I was using this as a cream blush and as a lipstick both. So when you apply a blush, I apply it like here, so a lot of portion of your face get covered and your lips. So it's a very nude shade, so you have to really layer this like a couple of times to show up on my complexion at least. So but yeah, still a lot. Okay, so for lip liner I only have 4, which is good. And lip liner, as you can see, this is new and this is already starting to worn off, and I think I can use up them eventually, so this is not a problematic category. Okay, now remaining are some decent categories. We have sprays. I have 3 sprays, which is like a good amount I guess for sprays. Then we have lip gloss. I only have 2 lip gloss, which is I want to buy maybe a pinky nude. I have a warm nude and a red, maybe a pink and pinky nude. Yeah, so I would like to keep my glosses under 5 category. And makeup remover, I consider this a part of makeup because it is makeup remover. So usually people think that makeup remover are skincare, but I think this is makeup. So I have 2 makeup removers. One is the backup of another one. Yeah, that's it. So in total I have 154 makeup products in my stash, which is not that much, but ideally I would like it to be under 120 category. So yeah, and before that I was not on YouTube, so the last inventory that I did was the December 2020. So previously I owned 84 makeup products, but since I am purchasing a lot, so I have almost doubled it, and I would like to use up some things before buying anything new. So yeah, speaking of using up, I am using up some of my makeup products, which is a good thing. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you like this video, and this is just a fun video to kind of check myself, and kind of this is a part of Project Panning community. Everybody in Project Panning community do this, and they want to basically see how much they can use up in a year. So some people do it quarterly, some do it like yearly, some do it like half yearly. So I think I will do it quarterly, and that would be quite good amount of time to reflect on my purchases, and I would like to do you know purchased like what I've purchased in a month also. So yeah, maybe I will do that. And that's it, pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.